The eastern ground parrot. The eastern ground parrot, Pesopus walrus, is a secretive bright green ground-dwelling parrot which is seldom seen. It inhabits dense headlands in or near coastal regions of eastern and southeastern Australia. Two subspecies of the ground parrot occur in Australia. Pesopus walrus, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. Pesopus walrus, Nietzsche. Other related species of ground parrot is Pesopus flaviviparus, which is the western ground parrot, Western Australia. In Victoria, many of the populations have suffered a decline to a point where their existence is now in doubt. Wilson Promontory National Park remains a visible area of these species. In southwest Victoria, the eastern ground parrot was previously recorded in the Nelson area of the Lower Glenelg National Park and the Discovery Bay Coastal Park. The populations which once occurred within a Great Otway National Park have become highly fragmented due to landscape change and were considered to be in decline in 2000 due to no recent records. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing. And don't forget to smash that notification bell and subscribe bell down below.
This is the life of Bohemia.